I actually can't believe it, guys. We have just hit 10,000 subscribers. And you know what that means? That's right. I am officially quitting my channel.
Bruh.
But in all honesty, this is pretty crazy. About 10 minutes ago, we were at like 9,998, so must have just went up 2 subscribers recently. You know, I never thought that these cars and trucks and just Lego builds in general would have gotten me to 10,000 subscribers, but you know, we got there. You know, the garage actually might need to be refurbished a little bit, as you guys can see, but that's a little bit beyond the point here. It's been like a little bit over 3 years since I started this channel, and you know, way back when I was first making videos, my videos were made, you know, just on my floor. In fact, my most viewed video is still a gearbox video, surprisingly, and it was just, you know, it was filmed like on my carpet and stuff like that. But anyways, I really want to do something to celebrate 10,000 because I didn't really do anything. I didn't really do that much at 5K. I actually didn't do anything at 5K, or at 1,000 I didn't do too much. It was just kind of like a like mock tour. But at 100 subscribers, I actually did a giveaway. That video is still up on my channel, and you know, that was really fun to do even back at 100 subscribers. Alright, so you might be guessing what this is all leading to. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to do a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. You know, I never would have made it to 10K without all of my subscribers, obviously. So, yeah, to give back, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I basically decided that whoever wins the giveaway will receive a kit of any of their choice. So basically anything on my website they can choose from, or any other car that's not listed I can do for like a pre-built model. So that will be the first place prize. The second place winner will receive a copy of the Speed Champions Fast and Furious R34 GTR set. And then whoever comes in third place will receive any of my premium instructions for free. So whichever car they want for free. I know I don't have too many on my rebrickable, but any of those will be like basically for the third place winner to choose from. And so at this point, you're probably wondering, well, how do I enter? And well, basically there is going to be a Google form in the description of this video. It is going to be all free, so you don't need to like pay anything or anything. But you will just need to enter your name, your email, your phone number, just so I can like contact you if you win. And then there'll also just be an extra section down below for your favorite build that you've seen on this channel so far. It doesn't have to be like what you want if you win, just like, you know, your favorite build that you've seen. So that is pretty much how you're going to enter this giveaway. As always, you know, don't like enter your name in twice or anything. Don't cheat, because that just ruins it for like basically everybody else. And also make sure to share this video so we can get more people entered. And just have a lot of fun with this giveaway, so I could probably do more in the future. I might do some where you have to like pay for it, but then I'll have just like a much bigger prize. It really depends what I'm going to do in the future. But anyways, that's just for this giveaway. With that all said, I'm gonna end this video right here. The winner will be announced in exactly 1 week from now. So you know, I'll just have like, I'll just put everybody's names in something and then spin a wheel, get the winners generated randomly, of course. And yeah, that will be announced in exactly a week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, well, once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me, being subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.